Hello, welcome to Life on Pig Row and some exciting news today. We have an exciting tour. It's the finish of the stone steps done by Adam Clark and his wallers. Done a fantastic job, thank you Adam. And here's the reveal. And there's our big retaining wall. Nearly, must be 10, 12 ton of stone behind here to keep back the hillside. And as we come round here, it's our steps. Let's go up them. And you can't believe what a difference that makes. So this will be, after I cleared all the spoil away, our new courtyard garden. So let's go back down the steps again. We've not had steps for like 6 months and it's great. And this bit here we're going to put a railing just running down here, keep us safe. And there we come again, and there's our new courtyard space. If you like what we do at Life on Pig Row, and including the new courtyard garden that we're going to be doing in the next few months, then like and subscribe. Until next time, bye bye.